Hello everyone, Sanjana this side and I am a forever business owner. I welcome you all in today's new product video. In today's video, I am going to talk about Forever Aloe Scrub. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Content of this video is going to be, first we will talk about ingredients of aloe scrub, then why FLP aloe scrub, after that seals and certification of this product, then what are the health benefits of this product, how to use it. I'll tell you all these things in detail in this video. So first of all, let's talk about its ingredients. Its key ingredients are aloe barbadensis leaf juice and jojoba seed oil. These are the two main ingredients of aloe scrub, and I have mentioned the rest ingredients below. You can see on the screen. It is vegetarian and vegan friendly and gluten free. Now let me tell you why you should use this scrub. There are other companies aloe scrubs are available in market, but why you should use this product? The first thing is that if you use any other company's scrub, you cannot use that on daily basis. If you ask someone, he or she also prefer that you should not use it on daily basis. Otherwise, you may get scratches on your face. But you can use Forever Aloe Scrub on daily basis. The company itself says that you can use it on daily basis. It contains vitamins and minerals which moisturize our body and our skin. It is long lasting, like if you take this aloe scrub once, it will finish at least in 7 to 8 months. It promotes healthy skin, and one more thing, the main thing you will see in the most of the scrubs, sand particles, plastic particles and peel of peanuts are mixed in it. Now what happens because of this? When we rub it little more on our skin, the small cuts and scratches start appearing on our skin, right? Our skin start turning reddish, so they are not healthy for our skin. If you want to choose a healthy option, then you must try it once in your life. Okay, now if I talk about its shape, it has oval shaped small particles. When you apply it on your face in circular motion, then your skin feels very good and it becomes clean also. After that, this product has got so many seals and certification which defines that this product is best. First seal is International Aloe Science Council seal of approval. This seal is given to the products of aloe vera only, which have above 65% pure aloe vera gel and environment friendly. This seal is given after 300 to 400 quality tests. If any company fails even in one test, then they cannot give test for next 4 years. And since this seal was started, forever living products achieve this seal every year. Next seal, next seal is cruelty free seal, means product is not tested on animals. Next, kosher rating seal. This seal defines the purity and quality of the product. Those products which have this seal are recognized and respected at the international level. Forever's aloe scrub has this seal also. Next, vegan. It is vegan friendly, as I already told you. Next, M Halal certification, which defines that there is no intoxicating or alcoholic substance is added in it. These are the seals and certification of this product. Okay. Now let's talk about health benefits of aloe scrub. First benefit is it is good for sensitive skin. Lot of people have sensitive skin, so they do not use much scrub. But this product is good for those people also who have sensitive skin. Next benefit, it removes dirt layer and promotes natural glow. And lignin and saponin, two properties are found in aloe vera. Their small molecules cleans our skin till the third layer of our skin. There are three layers of our skin: epidermis, dermis, and hypodermis. So aloe vera cleans our skin till the third layer and provide moisturization to our skin also. It nourishes our skin and maintain natural texture, remove dust and toxins. It also moisturizes our skin, as I already told you. Now, if I talk about next benefit, it is very beneficial for oily skin. I'll tell you one more option to use this product if you have oily skin. So watch this video till the end. Next benefit, it helps to remove both stains and spots on the face. Also removes blackheads and whiteheads. Aloe scrub reduces scars and stretch marks. It is a great product to remove dead cells on the neck and knees and elbows. It removes wrinkles. It clears dull appearance on skin. These are the benefits of this product. Overall, this is an amazing product with so many health benefits. You can use it for yourself and also share with your family and friends. See, this is a healthy option for your skin. Now let's talk about how to use aloe scrub. First of all, wash your face with water. That should not be too cold or too hot. Wash your face with normal water. Do not wash your face with soap. Only use water. Now take a little aloe scrub on your fingertips. Okay. Now massage your face for 3 to 4 minutes in circular motion. Take little water if needed. After 3 to 4 minutes, wash it thoroughly with water and take a dry soft towel and dry the skin by tapping it, not rubbing it. Okay. After that, you should use moisturizer or any other cream. Make sure it does not contain chemicals because your skin is clean now. If you want the best results, then you can use it 3 times a week. Now, there is another option for those people who have oily skin. First, wash your face, then apply little amount of aloe vera on your face. Then take a steam with hot water for 5 minutes. Then take aloe scrub on your fingertips and massage it for 3 to 4 minutes. Rest process is same. If you have any query related to any other product or Forever Living Products International, like price, or you want to use any product, then you can fill the form given in the description of this video. I'll definitely provide you proper information for free. So if you really like the information about Forever Aloe Scrub, then you can share this video to your teammates, friends and family, and you can subscribe to my channel for more products information and other information related to FLP. If you use this product before, then you can share your experience in the comment section. See you all in next video. Stay tuned.